Good afternoon, Math 7 classes, or good morning depending on when you're watching this. I wanted to give you a quick tour of Google Classroom. Although we're a couple months into school now, and I know that you're almost experts at Google Classroom, I just wanted to give you a few quick reminders so that you are always familiar with Google Classroom and can actually come back to this video if ever you have questions. So, we log into Google Classroom every day. And sometimes you'll see new posts from me right here. So you'll see that the absolute value notes, this was posted on the 20th, so this was posted on Friday. I mentioned to some of you that you need to get this done after your test. You'll notice that this is due tomorrow night. So you will have time to do this in class, but all assignments, if they have a due date on it, will be in this upper left corner here. You won't see save posts. These are things that I have hidden about to share with you, but you'll go ahead and look on your stream. So you can see that other things have been posted in the past. You know that we work on must-do, can-do lists and all sorts of things. So on the left-hand side of your screen, you'll always see topics. A lot of times on your must-do, can-do list, it'll say to go to the formative grades section. So if we click here, you can see that these are all of the assignments that are going to be possibly receiving a grade. So you're going to want to make sure to get these done. There are about a good chunk of you in each class so far that don't have these done. So whenever your must-do, can-do list says to go to formative grades, you'll click on this topic here. If you need to go back and watch a video about something, for example, maybe you want to go back and see this video. It will be tagged under helpful videos and you can go here. We watched a video on integers and number lines. My computer's taking a minute to load here, but this would have loaded up. These are all the helpful videos on integer number lines. Okay, so if we go back here, I should actually also tag your absolute value with the helpful videos, so you'll see that later as a helpful video as well. So these absolute value notes will become a helpful video. Now, a lot of times I tell you to go to the About section to sign up for Math Zone. Well, this About section is right up here at the top, right here. Click on it. You'll see there are some really helpful things in here. You have a way to find your lost homework. You just click here and log on in. You can sign up for Math Zone. You've got your formula sheet, which we will be using later in the year, and then you've got your syllabus and IB grading scale down here. Your syllabus will contain, that's the big syllabus about what happens in math class with the regular grading scale. The IB grading scale is broken down here. Now if we click on Are You Coming to Math Zone, this will take a second to load, but here's your link to sign up for Math Zone. So everything is right here in your Google Classroom. Right back here in Google Classroom. Google Classroom is a great place to go whenever you've got questions. Finally, one last thing that I want to show you is if you go to About, you can click on my email address right here and you can email me. Now obviously you can't invite teachers. That's a feature that only me as your teacher has. But you can just click on my email address underneath the picture and you can email me any questions you might have about things. I hope this helps. Please let me know if you have any other questions or other things that I can add to this tour. Have a great time exploring Google Classroom.